Hello Cornelius, this video from your chip. Look, I programmed aperture from 11. Now I package your chip and send to you. This is your chip. I sent to you two corner. Your package with your address. Thank you.